fe'n ffantastig I gael lleisiau eraill ar ein step and drws ni fan hyn.
It's great to see other voices here in Cardigan because I've never played Cardigan before. Even though gigs at Cardiff are amazing, you just want to sometimes get a feel for the rest of the country in terms of how an audience reacts when you play a song. It makes it more interesting for us and it makes it more interesting for the audience as well.
Mae fe'n gyfle I pobl fan hyn I falle ffindo cerddorion sy'n newydd iddyn nhw, a mae'n gyfle i'r cerddorion ffindo cynulleidfaoedd sy'n newydd. Mae cerddoriaeth mor bwysig fi'n credu, yn yr oes sydd ohoni lle mae'n gymaint o bethau'n gwahaniaethu ni bob dydd, mae fe dal gyda'r pŵer I ddod o pobl at ei gilydd. Fel merch o Geredigion, ti eisiau arddangos yr ardal I bobl, ti eisiau I pobl ddod yma a gweld beth sydd da ni I gynnig, ddim jyst y tirlun ond y music, celfyddydau, yr holl bethau hyn.
The more that we can show that Wales is a place that should be played by other acts is a good thing. Whenever we've played Wales, you know, it's usually Newport, Swansea, Cardiff, and I'd like to see places like Cardigan a bit more on the gig trail.